And apart from the described two methods, the mermaid and the generate function, which use artificial intelligence to draw the ER diagram, we have many other methods, and one noticeable method is to use the plot UML. Let me delete all of the drawn diagrams. So now just click on arrange, insert, and go to advanced, and we can use from text and plot UML, SQL, CSV. So we'll use the plot UML. So you'll just have to write a piece of code like start UML, skim param shadowing false, alice bob authentication request, bob alice authentication response. So this is basically representing some kind of handshake between alice and bob. So now we'll have to plot the UML regarding our uh, database system. So I have written this code. The theme plan is like entity department as department ID, department code. So everything which we have discussed, and it is just now following the syntax of UML. So we'll have to plot this. Just copy this and paste that into this and insert. So it would create an entity relationship diagram. So you can see that the entity department, entity students, entity courses, entity faculty, entity teachers, and entity enrollments grades. So this basically representing the crow's foot notation symbols. So this these are basically showing the relationship one to one, many to many. So this the department ID set as foreign key, and primary key. So these are actually very interesting ways of drawing the entity relationship diagram, and we can save this, sorry, export this as PNG, and just export. So, see. So this is basically our diagram. So I think you have understood about the entity relationship diagrams, and the objective of drawing the entity relationship. And because the visualization is always better than the text or discussion. So one picture speaks a thousand words. So now the we have completed our entity relationship module of the database course. So see you soon.